Hi, this is Anna. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you a journal that I started a long time ago and finally finished it. So here I just had, this is like kind of like elastic fabric that I used as this loose tie that just double wraps. And this, it looks like this has some blue acrylic paint. I have no clue how that happened. I just found this in one of my boxes and it's such a pretty piece. So it's like a rose and a flower and another little thing with pearls and gemstones. This is stamped bird. This is fabric. And this comes from the vintage box I told you about many times that I got from a thrift store. So 2 beads, vintage, and then this I think was a part of an earring, so I'm just using it as a little dangle. And then I added this Remember the Moments charm from my stash. So this is pretty much the signature thread from the middle, and I have it on the top here because I already have this on the button, so I wanted something on the top. So that's the front cover, this cute fabric stitching. It's not perfect, it's supposed to be like this. So this is just, you can just slide it off, as you can see, elastic. And let's see, one signature, and underneath that I have something for that. I forgot what I used. It's something to give this sound. And this is a packet on the first page with a tab made with fabric. So let's see what we have. We have a pretty journaling card. So you could glue this somewhere and then write on it. It will actually look really pretty here. And yes, check for the same purpose. So either this way or this way. I think I have this. I think I actually have this one here because it's similar. This rusty color here. Here I have a tag with flower accessory. Oh, I think that was from this. This came with this tag, so I have it on this tag here, and I added twine and 2 die-cut flowers and little gemstone. So it says flower accessory. Then I have an envelope stamped and stickers on it, stamped here. And I have a few things in here, some pretty paper, lined paper. You can glue this and journal on it. So let me put this back. Okay. Here is a journaling card that I already glued. Lined paper with some pretty flower. And you can journal here. This is a sticker, little bird. And this is from a bird book, so you can read about these birds. Then this is from a planner. This is some crafting books. Journal card in this paper bag. Birds here. And that is a flip that I didn't close. I'm just keeping it like that. And I have 2 pretty journal cards. So that's clipped, beautiful paper. Some more birds here. This is just glued, it's not stitched. I'm keeping it here. If you want to, if you really wanted to, I'm sure you can peel it off. And that, so this is fabric, but if you don't like it here, you can remove it and then use it for other projects. This is another pretty page. Oh, so here I made this tag. I just had this card sitting around, so I think it's a kitten and a puppy. So cute. And then this fabric, I think is from Temu. So this is a fabric, it's a fabric pocket. And I have a bird here. And this is also a pocket. So I have journal cards, mostly with flowers, if not birds. This is textured paper, really pretty. So you can use these for projects. And another tag with some more birds on this vintage playing card. You can glue this together and have a pretty tag. Some yellow lined paper to journal on. Here's some flowers and field observations. You can glue this down and write on it. This one is also perfect for writing, so a lot of space for writing as always. And here you have a pretty journal card and a stamped bird with some sari silk on top. Forever and always, so more birds. You can make it into a tuck spot. And doily in the middle. These are pockets, so you can put something inside. And then here I have this bird stamped again, and you can journal here. More flowers. This is vintage page. Then here I have sari silk, so you can trim, beautiful trim embroidered. You can journal under that. Here I have this beautiful embroidered ribbon with some book page to use in your for your projects and more stuff. So you can use all that. So pretty. Then these are, this is another, I think, page, or is it the same page? I probably used two of these pages in this journal with the birds. And more sari silk. Can journal under that. And here's this pretty paper. More things to use. Write on it. Glue it somewhere. Fabric. It's the planner page. Here are more birds. You could even cut this here and then use that for tags. That's vintage wallpaper, low piece. And then you can answer the questions. And last one, that's all glued. I just have this here because of these beautiful flowers. I just thought this looks so pretty. And so I added paper that's almost feels like fabric, and it has the same kind of pretty purple violet color. And then this is some, looks like vintage. I think it's from Temu, or maybe from Amazon actually. So that goes in there. And I forgot to tell you the size, but do you hear it? I forgot to tell you the size of the journal. So the whole thing here is 7 3/4 by 6, and then a little bit sticking out. So this is how it looks with the charm. I think it's a cute little thing for spring, perfect with the birds and pretty colors. Very happy journal. Birds and flowers pretty much. And Raggedy Ann because she was just around. So I hope you enjoyed this journal. you can just literally close it just like that, very easy. You can use the closure for something else if you don't like it, but I think it's perfect for this journal. And let me show it to you one more time. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.